Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Topaz Video AI settings for realistic upscaling step by step clearly. To begin, download and install Topaz Video AI from the official website. Launch the Topaz Video AI application on your computer. Next, import the video file you want to upscale by clicking on the Browse button. Select the appropriate video file from your folder and click Open to upload it. Now, locate the Output Settings section on the right side of the screen. In the Output Settings, choose your desired output format from the drop-down menu. Adjust the resolution setting to match your target upscale quality. For realistic upscaling, select the AI model that best suits your video's content. Click on the Settings button next to the AI model to adjust additional parameters as needed. Ensure that the video quality slider is set to your preference, balancing speed and quality. If needed, adjust the frame rate in the frame rate section for a smoother output. Next, check the preview section to see a sample of your adjustments in real time. Once satisfied with the settings, click on the Start Processing button to begin the upscaling. Monitor the progress bar to track the completion of your upscale task. After processing, navigate to the designated output folder to find your upscaled video. Finally, open the upscaled video to review the quality improvements and ensure it meets your expectations. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.